Hi, this is Darius. Here is part 7, how to make a game in Unity. In this part I'm going to show you how to animate this character. It will be an animation of the breathing. So let's begin. Bring back the bones to their natural position. The hand, the neck, and the leg. Change pivot point to median point. We will be working on the specific bone. I'm going to fix the missing faces. In this example, that is the eyes. Go to Edit mode and select the whole object. In Unity, the eyes will be invisible because I extruded inside. Enable backface culling. And click on Recalculate to fix the missing faces. Now we are ready to make this character live. Go to Animation. First we will create the breathing pose, so select the spine bone. I'm going to make the breathing animation 40 frames per second. Insert a keyframe for this character. So insert a keyframe for the first and for the last keyframe, number 1 and number 40. I have got two joined keyframes. Home to zoom in. It will add a frame when I change anything. I'm going to start the breathing animation at the frame number 20. So select the spine bone and scale it. Then I play the animation. This looks pretty good. I'm going to move the head to improve the animation. Now this looks even better. Also, I'm going to change the arm position. You can try to improve it, but I think the final result is pretty good. In the next video, I will move this character to Unity. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe or leave a comment.